welcome back to SlimeSnapNation, and in today's video, I am going to be testing if you can make slime with baking soda. So without further ado, let's snap right into this video. Before we jump into today's video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. It means the world to me, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you that subscribe to my channel. I hope my videos bring smiles and laughter every week. Let's do this recipe right now. Okay, everybody, all you guys are going to be needing for today's recipe is a container to make your slime. Second thing you're going to be needing is some, and the second thing is baking soda. And this is supposed to be our activator for today. I'm not sure if this works. I kind of think I did this before, but I can't remember whether or not it worked. So we're going to do this one more time. Take our clear glue and just go blah. Once you have your clear glue in that container, you can go ahead and take whatever kind of food dye you want. I am using this pink one, which probably is going to turn red. So let's just add the tiniest amount in there. I'm just using this beautiful spoon.
I know you only saw me.
Alright guys, once you are all done mixing up your food dye, if you so choose to have any food dye, I am doing all the extras today because I have high hopes that this recipe is going to be a success. My second little decoration, I'm going to go ahead and scent our slime cotton candy. Alright, let's mix that in there and see if it smells good. Oh, it smells just like cotton candy, guys. Oh my gosh, it smells so good right now. We've got to add a little bit of glitter just to spice things up a bit more. Now it is going to be time for the moment of truth to see if this recipe works. Alright guys, our slime looks super duper cute. And now we've got the baking soda, and it's time to see if this recipe is truth or lie. Take in a little pinch of baking soda. Take one more pinch. Time for the moment of truth. Is this going to work? Don't you guys? Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. That's working. That's working. Yes, guys, that is what I'm talking about. Look at that beautiful slime. Oh my gosh, it worked, guys. This is a great slime. Well, I'm so glad that this recipe was true and a success, and thank you so much, subscriber, for recommending this recipe. I love this slime so much, and I'm going to keep it forever. I love you guys so much, and I want to say thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers and for supporting my channel for over 1 year now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have an amazing day. Bye!